Hi everyone, our topic for today is about integration of technology in office operations. In today's fast-paced business environment, the integration technology into office operation is no longer a luxury but necessity. Technology has revolutionized the way business manage their day-to-day activities, enhancing productivity, communication, and organization. From office management surface, a digital scheduling tools, and the transition to paperless operations, these innovations are transforming traditional office settings into efficient and modern workplace. What is office management software? Centralized tools for managing office tasks, automates and streamlines processes like task management, project tracking, and resource allocation. These are the examples of office management software. First is Microsoft, then Google Workspace, and a tracking device. Microsoft is suite for provide comprehensive set of tools for business, academic, and personal productivity. It supports word processing and document creation for Word, data analysis and management for Excel and Access, professional presentation for PowerPoint, email and scheduling for Outlook, collaboration and communication for Teams and OneDrive, creative design for Publisher. Microsoft Office simplify tasks, improve productivity, and allows seamless collaboration across individual and teams. For Google Workspace is designed to enhance collaboration, productivity, and communication for business, education institutions, and individuals. By integrating a variety of tools into seamless platform, users can collaborate in real time, store and share files securely, communicate efficiently, and organize time. Google Workspace enables teams to work from anywhere, providing a unified platform that integrates communications, storage, and collaboration tools to improve productivity, streamline workflows. Tracking device software is essential for monitoring the movement, location, status of assets, vehicles, individuals, and devices. Its purpose range from improving security and safety to enhancing efficiency and productivity in various sectors such as logistics, fleet management, personal security, and environmental monitoring. By providing real-time insights and data, tracking software empowers business and individuals to make informed decisions, optimize operations, and protect valuable resources. What are digital scheduling tools? Tools that automate scheduling, meeting planning, and event coordination. Examples of digital scheduling tools are Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. These are the benefits of digital scheduling tools. First is efficiency and time management. Reduces time spent coordinating meetings, minimize scheduling conflict and errors, and accessible anywhere and promoting remote work. Second is better event planning. Real-time updates and notifications, integration with project management software. What is a paperless office? moving from physical documentation to digital file management. Examples of paperless office software is Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive for cloud storage, DocuSign and Adobe Sign for digital signatures. These are the benefits of paperless office. First is cost and space savings. It reduces need for paper, printers, and filing cabinet. Second is environmental impact. It promotes sustainability through reduced paper waste. Third is enhanced accessibility. Digital files are searchable, shareable, and easily backed up. It improves collaboration with remote access to documents. And lastly is security. It enhances security features with encryption and access control.